Hey, good morning everyone. Welcome back to your language class. This is Hassan Akhtar and today we will be talking about OA sound. Hey, this is Hassan Akhtar and you're most welcome to my channel 50 Shades of Life. This is a platform where you can improve your English language communication. You can get yourself motivated for achieving something bigger, higher, and ultimately you can make yourself literally fall in love with literature. So keep watching it, which is once again a deep song. The sound is in the words such as joy and boy and toys and voice and koi. And by the way, from the word koi, I remembered a poem written by Andrew Marvell to his koi mistress, and believe me, this is such a beautiful poem. If you are a student of any literature, I'm not talking about English particularly, if you are a student of Urdu literature or Punjabi and English, but you can understand English, you go read this poem, you're gonna thank me later. This is one of the fantastic poems ever written. Andrew Marvell's To His Koi Mistress. Coming back to our sound, we were talking about the OI sound, such as in the word Troy, Helen of Troy, this gorgeous, beautiful woman ever born on the planet Earth. Go watch this movie. This is really worth watching. The manner of articulation of this sound is you open your mouth a little, not much, here, as you can see, and then O, E. This is actually a mixture of the two vowel sounds O and E. O-E, as you can see here, O-E. And when it becomes a diphthong, this is one sound, O-E. Boy, hey, come here you boy. Talk to me, where the hell are my toys? I have been finding them since a long time. Who destroyed my books? Come on, tell me everybody. OI sound. Now the beauty of the production of this sound is in this. But what we Punjabi and Urdu speakers do, we make it joy. Like you would have heard from so many people, I enjoyed a lot. It's not enjoy. What we do in Urdu here, we put alif madda here sometimes, I guess. I enjoyed. Where is my toy? No. I enjoyed a lot, really. Where are my toys? Hey boy, come here. The beauty of this sound is in producing it OI and not OI. That is not a diphthong, that becomes a triphthong. We'll be talking about the triphthong later sometime. Now we're going to look at some sentences where this OI sound is in abundance. Sentence number 1. Roy was enjoying the company of his koi mistress. I repeat it. Roy, which is a boy, was enjoying the company of his koi mistress. I cannot destroy the joys of the boys by breaking their toys. Now, there are 4 sounds, oi, as in different words of boy, joy, and toy, etc. I cannot destroy the joy of the boys by breaking their toys. And the last sentence now. My baby boy was annoyed at me because I enjoyed his voiceless toys. There are a lot of oi sounds. Now you have heard it, you practice it. In the description there are a couple of sentences to practice the oi sound. And remember, this isn't joy, this is joy. This isn't boy, this is boy. And this word isn't toy, but toy. That's it for today. This is Hassan Akhtar Nisar. See you next time.